all to Vidya Bharti Punjab English News Bulletin. First of all, let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan by Sanskrit Vishay Pramukh Shri Vidya Raj.
चिंतने आहे विपदा आदवैव प्रतिक्रिया न कूपखननं युक्तं प्रदीप्तेव वह्निना। आने वाले संकटों को दूर करने का उपाय पहले ही सोच लेना चाहिए। घर में आग लग जाने के बाद कुआं खोदने का कोई लाभ नहीं होता है। अमृत वचन परिवर्तन को साक्षात करने के लिए हमें स्वयं उस परिवर्तन को जीना पड़ता है। भारत माता की जय।
Now, let's have a look at the headlines of last week. 55 out of 88 students of class 12th of Barnala Vidya Mandir got scholarship from Punjab Education Board. Solar lights and masks were distributed at Prakashvati Vidya Mandir, Jalandhar. Senior teacher of Chandigarh, Shri Rajesh Shastri Ji, was honored in the Writers' Honour Ceremony organized in Kurukshetra. Students of Gharota Vidya Mandir gave 40 greeting cards to the Nodal Officer, Mr. Sandeep Kumar. 4 students of Hoshiarpur were selected in Super 100. 3-day workshop of German language teachers was inaugurated in Nava. Online activities are going on at the Prakashvati Vidya Mandir, Jalandhar. Punjab's Vedic mathematics virtual meeting was concluded. Stone painting activity was organized in Mukeri. Computer lab was inaugurated at Jitendra Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Mohali. Tika festival was concluded in Jalandhar, Gharota, Deenanagar and Bhikki Vidya Mandirs. Teachers of Barnala is setting an example by taking the responsibility of cost of children's education. Now, news in detail. Out of 88 students of class 12 of Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir, Barnala for the session 2019 and 20, 55 students were provided scholarship by the Punjab Education Board. The scholarship was given to them for their excellent performance in the board examinations. On this occasion, the students along with their parents came to the school and thanked the principal and the teachers of the school. While giving the blessings to the students, Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandel said that those who work hard, they definitely get success. Under the series of service work in the premises of Prakashvati Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir on July 2, solar lights and masks were made by the teachers and distributed among the needy people. The chief guest, Shri Prem Kumar Ji, who is the All India co-convener of Hindu Jagaran Manch, appreciated the service work being done by the Vidya Bharati. Shri Harish Ji, training head of Vidya Bharati North Zone, also inspired to do yoga along with the continuous service work. On this occasion, regional publicity head Shri Rajendra Ji, Shri Rakesh Shanti Doot Ji, Department Secretary Shri Sumesh Ji and members of management committees were present. The Writers' Honour Ceremony was organized by Vidya Bharati Uttar Kshetra in Kurukshetra. In this ceremony, Senior Acharya Shri Rajesh Shastri Ji of Sharda Secondary Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Sector 40 Chandigarh was honoured. He was honoured by the officials of North Zone for writing Hindi grammar. Students of Baba Naga Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Gharota, Pathankot presented 40 greeting cards to the nodal officer, Mr. Sandeep Kumar. This card was given after being impressed by Dainik Jagran newspaper's Salam Zindagi campaign. Principal Mr. Vinod Kumar and nodal officer Mr. Sandeep Ji appreciated the campaign of Dainik Jagran. Pre-foundation course of Super 100 organized by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab was concluded online, in which 5 children, each of class 6th, 7th and 8th were selected. It is matter of great pleasure that in this demo class for brothers and sisters of school Rishan, Aditi, Sai Sharma, Adarsh Sharma and Ishanya were selected through this medium. The brothers and sisters who have been selected in the course will get efficient guidance from the scientific students of ISRO and DRDO for the whole year. Principal Shri Rakesh Kumar ji congratulated all these selected brothers and sisters and the students and even their parents. A 3-day workshop on German language training was started by the Education Department, Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti, in the premises of Dayanand Public School, Pandusar, Mohalla, Naba. The German language course was explained in detail by Honorable Shri Vasu Yogji. Honorable Shri Vijay Nadda ji inspired the teachers to take foreign language like German, French and Spanish, etc. so that they can impart the knowledge of different languages among the students as well. Prakashvati Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Jalandhar is committed for all-round development of students during the crisis of Corona. Let's see a photo of dance activity. On July 5, a virtual meeting of the department heads of Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti was organized under the guidance of Prant Prabhari, Mr. Mahesh Chand Sharma ji. In this meeting, the state head Mr. Pawan ji, co-head Mrs. Anjana Mittal, Mrs. Jyoti Tiwari and all department heads were present. The objective of the meeting was to organize a Vedic mathematics quiz workshop at the department level for the teachers to train the students in different categories, Shishu, Bal, Kishore and Tarun. For this, a 2-day workshop of department heads will be organized on July 9 and July 10 from 10 am to 12 pm. Many online activities are going on in Mukerian Vidya Mandir, even in this crisis of Corona. In this episode, stone painting activity was done by the students. Let's watch a video. On July 3, the newly established computer lab in the school was re-inaugurated in Jitendra V. Sarvitkari Model Senior Secondary School, Mohali. In this computer lab, 12 new computers and 1 printer were provided by Honorable Shri Hemant Gupta ji, Judge of Supreme Court and son of late Jitendra V. ji. The lab was inaugurated by Srimati Pratima Gupta and members of School Management Committee. Vaccination camps were organized in the premises of Prakashvati Gharota, Dinanagar and Bikki Vidya Mandirs of Jalandhar, in which people participated with great enthusiasm. Both the first and the second doses were administered in these camps. There have been reports of large number of people getting vaccinated in these camps. Keeping in mind the guideline of COVID-19, full care was taken of sanitization and social distancing. On this occasion, administrative officers were also present along with the staff management committee members of Vidya Mandir. In this critical situation of COVID pandemic, where various sections of the society and social workers are getting this support, the teachers of Sarvitkari Vidyalaya are showing themselves to be an ideal teachers by taking up the responsibilities of education of such children along with their families. Under the Opt to Educate campaign run by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti, the teachers of Vidya Mandir Barnala, Shrimati Poonam Singla ji and Shrimati Neena Jindal ji adopted 4 children for education. Let's have a look at the thoughts on Environment Day by a student of Shri Kulwant Rai, Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir.
विद्यालय में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरी ओर से आप सभी को विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। क्या आप लोग जानते हैं कि हमने अपनी प्रकृति और पर्यावरण को कितनी हानि पहुंचाई है? तो चलिए आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि हमने अपनी प्रकृति को किस तरीके से गंदा किया है। सबसे पहला, आपको तो पता ही होगा कि मनुष्य के जीवित रहने का सबसे पहला कारण है ऑक्सीजन, और ऑक्सीजन हमें पेड़ों से मिलता है। क्या हमारी डेली लाइफ में इतने ज़्यादा पेड़ है कि हमें ठीक तरीके की ऑक्सीजन मिल रही है? नहीं, क्योंकि लोगों ने अपने मतलब के लिए धीरे धीरे करके पेड़ों को काटना शुरू कर दिया है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही बुरी बात है। दूसरा, गाड़ियों का भारी मात्रा में इस्तेमाल करना। अगर आजकल हमें कहीं पास ही में जाना होता है जहाँ पर हम पैदल चल के भी जा सकते हैं, वहाँ के लिए भी हम गाड़ी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो हमें गाड़ी का इस्तेमाल भी थोड़ा कम करना चाहिए। तीसरा, हम फैक्ट्रियों का इस्तेमाल आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा करने लगे हैं और जो फैक्ट्रियों में से काला धुआं निकलता है वो हमारे वायु और वातावरण को बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा करता है और ये बिल्कुल भी सही बात नहीं है। हमें फैक्ट्रियों का इस्तेमाल भी थोड़ा कम करना चाहिए। चौथा, हमें कूड़े को कहीं ऐसे सड़क पे या कहीं पार्क में ऐसे नहीं फेंकना चाहिए। हमें कूड़े को डस्टबिन में फेंकना चाहिए और हमें प्लास्टिक बैग्स नहीं यूज़ करने चाहिए। और ऐसे ही कारणों की वजह से आज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग दिन पर दिन बढ़ती जा रही है, जिसकी वजह से अर्थ का जो एटमॉस्फेयर है वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा होल हो चुका है और जो सन की हानिकारक किरणें हैं वो धरती पे पड़नी शुरू हो गई है, जिससे धरती को बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान पड़ रहा है और साथ में प्रकृति को ही। तो मैंने आपको बताया कि हम किस तरह
Now, let's watch a beautiful presentation of Shishu Vatika.
चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपो भूमि हर ग्राम है, हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपो भूमि हर ग्राम।
There is another presentation of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Kanpur, under the series of R Vidya Mandir. That's all for this week. See you next week with new headlines. Thank you.